504 888 47 33. Accent Home Improvements, wrap your home in pride and ease. Hardie for strength, vinyl for grace, low maintenance charm all over the place. No peeling, no paint, no weekend strain, just colors that shine through sun and rain. A home that feels just right day and night. Accent makes your siding bright. Laugh and run, neighbors glance over, that's a job well done. From corner to trim, from wall to door, it's built to last, and so much more. Accent Home Improvements, your first call. 504 888 47 33. No paint and no stress, just curb appeal. That's siding done right, and that's the deal. Fire up the grill, pour sweet iced tea. The porch feels better with that fresh new sheen. Gather with friends, relax and stay. That new siding steals the day. Call now, 504 888 47 33. Vinyl or Hardie, the choice is yours. With Accent, your curb appeal soars. No paint, no stress, just curb appeal. That's siding done right, and now